Hello viewers, welcome to my new channel Ryan's Chemistry Academy. In my channel I am going to create more videos about easy to learn chemistry. So please do support my channel for more chemistry videos. Please subscribe, share and click on the bell icon for getting the notification of my new videos. Hello dear students, everyone. This video I am going to explain Tyndall effect with one easy experiment. Using the experiment, you can easily understand the concept what is Tyndall effect. So Tyndall effect is a very good property. That property shown by the colloidal molecules. So any colloids, it's having two properties. One is Brownian moment, another one is Tyndall effect. So Brownian moment, what is Brownian moment? Brownian moment is nothing but the random movement of the colloidal particles. In any colloidal solution, the colloidal particles are moving rapidly in all the direction in the zigzag manner, a random manner. So the random movement of the colloidal particle is called as what? Brownian moment. And is the next property, that is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is a very important property for colloidal molecules. So when we have to consider the two solution, one is true solution, another one is colloidal solution. So here I have to consider the true solution. It is a salt water, salt completely dissolved in water. So it is looking like a clear transparent solution. It is an example for true solution. So another for colloidal solution I have to consider one example, that is milk. So milk is an example for colloidal solution. So in the two beaker, the first beaker I filled with water, second beaker I filled with milk. So water is nothing but salt water is a true solution. This is for colloidal solution. So what is Tyndall effect? So when a beam of light is allowed to passes through the true solution and colloidal solution. So in true solution, the light can easily passes through the solution. So inside the solution we are not able to see the path of light because it can easily passes through the solution. But in the case of colloidal solution, when a beam of light is allowed to passes through the colloidal solution, so the scattering of light rays takes place by the colloidal particles, because in a colloidal solution all the colloidal particles are moving rapidly in zigzag direction. So once when light enter into the colloidal solution, the particles scatter the light in any direction. So when a light is allowed to passes through the colloidal solution, we are able to see the path of light due to the scattering of light rays by the colloidal particle. This effect is called as a Tyndall effect. You see, first to see, this is a true solution. Now I allowed to passes through the light into the true solution. Yeah, can anyone see the path of light? No, it can easily passes through the solution. The path is not visible. But you see in the colloidal solution now, I allowed to pass the light through the colloidal solution in milk. You see now, yeah, the path of light is visible. We can able to see the path of light, isn't it? In true solution, we are not able to see. The path is not visible. But in colloidal solution, in milk, the light path is visible. We are able to see the path of light. So this effect is called as what? Tyndall effect. This effect only shown by the colloidal solution. Now we are very well clear with the concept, isn't it? Thank you, students. Hope you like this video. So please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.